Hey, this is my curriculum vitae CV. My professional studies are: I have a competency certificate, work as receptionist in travel field in the hotels. I have vocational qualifications, work as a receptionist in the hotel lobby. I am the first year student, a Master of Hospitality Management in University of Applied Science in Savonia. In this field of wellness tourism. This is my application search for the job, my CV. This is my presentation, say what I can do for a job. I'm good at cooking and prepare meals in the kitchen. I have good sense of humor. I get along with different person. I manage difficult issues. I find out complicated situation. I have backup plan B. I do my responsibilities. I try to work efficiency. I try to devise my work schedule in the right time. Delegate chronologically my work shift. I'm skillful invent ideas with new project. My work history is: I am worked as trainee in the ABC Pitkälahti, as a technical assistant in the Kalevalan koulu, as an activities assistant in the KYS, as a trainee in the Hesburger Center of Kuopio, as a trainee in the S-Market Center of Kuopio and S-Market Ykkösrasti. I worked in the nursing school capital in Kuopio as attendant care in old people's home, and worked as a kindergarten assistant in the kindergarten Ankkuri Touhula. I worked in the receptionist school as a trainee in the coffee shop Houkutus, as a trainee in the Savo House, as a trainee Sokos Hotel Pujansarvi. I worked as trainee Hotel Isovalkeinen, and I worked as a trainee in the Amarilla. I speak Finnish, English, Swedish, Spanish and a little bit French.